How to add your own voice on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then go down on the plus option that is located on the center bottom title bar. Click on that. As you click on that, now create a random video. As you take a random shot of almost 1 or 2 seconds, now on the right corner, by clicking on the down option, now on the right corner you will have an option of voiceover or voice effect. Now you can make your own custom sound by adding a sound and voice overing over it or adding a voice effect. This is how you can make your own sounds on TikTok. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.